Welcome to my channel where I guide you towards inner connection and peace through the transformative practices of yoga and mindfulness. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to support our community and journey together towards greater well-being. Thank you for joining me. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down, allowing your body to relax with your spine long and your shoulders soften. Now gently close your eyes, or if you prefer, soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to bring your awareness to your body. Notice the points of contact between your body and the surface beneath you, feeling the support grounding you to the present moment. Now shift your attention to your breath. Begin by noticing where in your body you feel the breath most prominently. Whether it's a gentle rise and fall of your chest or the subtle expansion and contraction of your belly, or the sensation of air passing through your nostrils. With each inhale, observe the coolness of the air entering your body, perhaps feeling it brush against the tip of your nose or the back of your throat. Notice the slight pause at the top of the inhale before it naturally transitions into the exhale. Continue to breathe in and breathe out, observing your breath. As you exhale, feel the warmth of the air leaving your body, releasing any tension or tightness. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath, flowing effortlessly like gentle waves. Continue to inhale and exhale, observing your breath in this way. There is no need to change or control your breath. Simply observe it as it is, allowing each breath to guide you deeper into the present moment. If your mind begins to wander, gently guide your focus back to the sensations of your breath. Let each inhale and exhale anchor you to the here and now, grounding you in the present moment. Continue to observe your breath, noticing any subtle shifts or changes that occur. Each breath offers an opportunity to deepen your awareness and presence. With each breath, cultivate a sense of gratitude for the gift of life and the miracle of breath. Let each inhale fill you with gratitude, and each exhale release any worries or distractions. Allow yourself to fully surrender to the rhythm of your breath, knowing that in this moment you are exactly where you need to be. As you cultivate this awareness of your body and breath, invite a sense of calm and inner peace into your being. With each inhale, imagine breathing in peace, and with each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Sink deeper into the state of calm and inner peace with each breath, knowing that you have the power to return to this place of calm whenever you need it. Take a few more moments to enjoy the peace before slowly bringing your awareness back to the room. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember, the practice of mindfulness meditation is a journey, and each moment spent in presence and awareness is a step towards greater peace and well being in your life. For the best results, make sure you practice it every day. Namaste.